Here's the follow-up video to Cicero's Per Marco Marcello episode 13. You might want to go watch that video before this one, because we're going to use Cicero's basic structure to learn some Latin composition. Now here's the original sentence. Tamen ad firmo et hoc pace dicam tua, nullam in his esse laudem ampliorem quam eam quam hodierno die consecutus es. Now first we want to simplify this sentence, boil it down so to speak, and reduce it to the most basic elements. So if we take out tamen, the adversative conjunction, we drop the second half of the comparative and its relative clause, this is what we get. Ad firmo nullam in his esse laudem ampliorem. Translation: I maintain that there is in these matters no more extensive commendation. Second, let's change just one element to practice our understanding of the structure of the grammar and to exercise our imagination. So instead of saying ad firmo, present tense, we can switch this to the future, ad firmabo. It's formed this way because ad firmare is a first conjugation verb, so the future tense is formed by adding the bo suffix. So we have ad firmabo nullam in his esse laudem ampliorem. Translation: I shall assert that these circumstances contain no more abundant approbation. Now third and last, because this is indirect statement, oratio obliqua, we note that laudem, feminine singular accusative, is the subject of the infinitive esse, and it is modified by nullam. So let's change that up by swapping in a different noun. What is the opposite of praise? It's blame, vituperatio. So now we have ad firmabo nullam in his esse vituperationem ampliorem. Translation: I shall hold that there is not very much blame present in these circumstances. Of course, there's a lot more we could do in terms of variety for the sentence. We could add in adverbs, subordinate clauses, and so forth. But this gives you a flavor for how you can build on Cicero's basic structure to expand your own repertoire. So enjoy your Latin composition and vale tote omnes. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning and vale tote omnes.